Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Gantt chart tutorials on Google Sheets. So if you want to stay organized and plan your projects effortlessly, you can use the Google Sheets and you can use these Gantt chart templates on Google Sheets to make it easier for you. So what you need to do is here, just open the docs.google.com/spreadsheets and then just tap on the template gallery in here. Then you can just scroll down until you find the project management section and you'll easily spot the Gantt chart template. So what you need to do is just click on a template in here. And as you guys can see here, this is the Gantt chart templates. You can plan your projects using this template. You can just modify it with your own. You can add the project, your calendar, and enter your dates. For example, I'm going to just change the projects titles in here. The big project, let's say, and then the projects manager. You can change it here. Okay, and also the company's name, company, and you can also change the date. So I'm going to change into uh today's date. Let's change it into today's date. Okay, now you can also just modify the item, each item in here. If you don't no longer sorry if you don't need a certain item, you can just click on it and then tap on delete or delete row, just like this, if you don't need it. So you can just edit it as you like it, and it will automatically save on your spreadsheets in here. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.